Welcome back. In the last video we have completed the database setup, and in this video we will be creating Spring Boot RESTful web service project from the start.spring.io. So let's jump into the second step. So go to start.spring.io. It is a Spring initializer, and we need to select language Java, build tool Maven. It should be default, so maybe after 1 year it may be the latest version, latest stable version, so we need not to change anything here. So provide the group name. Now let's add the dependency. The first dependency would be Spring Data JPA. So as here you can see, persist, this dependency helps persist data in SQL store with Java Persistence API using Spring Data and Hibernate. So basically it will interact with the database using Hibernate and Java Persistence API. Let's add MySQL driver to connect to the database, MySQL database, and the REST repositories. So this will expose the Spring Data repository over REST via Spring Data REST. So it will expose the REST endpoint. And the last dependency is Lombok. It will help us to generate the boilerplate code like getter and setter for our application. Generate the project. It is generating, so we have can save anywhere. Okay. Once application is downloaded successfully, we have to extract this project. So we can see here in the full stack tutorials it is extracted, but it is extracted inside Todo and again Todo folder. So I will cut and paste this here, and now we can see the one folder only, and pom.xml resides here. So we have to import this to our editor. So let's close this and open new project. So our Todo application is imported to our editor. Now it will download the dependency